This is the final unit of this module and builds on many of the concepts learned in the previous 5 units. By the end of this module, you will be able to develop a business model for any entrepreneurial idea, as well as understand the process of customer validation. A business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. Identifying a sustainable business model is a critical but often difficult for many startups. The customer validation process, described by Stephen Blank in his book, The 4 Steps to the Epiphany, offers entrepreneurs a way of developing the insights required to design their business model using Osterwalder's business model canvas. Customer validation is the second step of the customer development model, with the first step being customer discovery. Before you can design your business model, you must first develop your value proposition. The customer discovery process will help you build and validate your value proposition as well as your target customer profile and product solution. Once this is done, you are ready to commence the customer validation process. The objective of the customer validation process is to validate your sales process and the assumptions that underpin your business model. In other words, customer validation is a critical step that needs to be undertaken before you grow your venture. A business model links the technical inputs, such as the performance, with the value it creates, whether that value is economic, social, or cultural. The business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures such value. The business model canvas was developed by Alex Osterwalder and has 9 elements and 4 main blocks. The first block is the middle block. It is the what block. What problem we are solving, and why our customers will love us. The second block is on the right and externally focused. It deals with the who. Who are we delivering this product to? Customer segment. How are we going to reach our customers? Channels. And what are our customer relations? The left block is internally focused and deals with the how. How are we going to deliver this value? What key activities do we need so we can function? What resources do we require? And what suppliers and partners are important for our success? The final block is at the bottom of the canvas, which deals with the how much. On the left side is the cost structure, which deals with the cost associated with all the internal functions. On the right is the revenue stream, which is associated with the external functions. Let's look at an example. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network. As of 2012, LinkedIn had 161 million members in over 200 countries. So what is LinkedIn Business Model Canvas? For many of us, the value proposition for LinkedIn is to help professionals stay connected with each other by creating and managing a professional identity and building a professional network. Who is the customer segment in this case? It is professionals who are internet users. How does LinkedIn reach its customers? Through their website and mobile apps, as well as field sales. What relationship do various users have among each other? The LinkedIn platform induces the same-side network effects amongst its members. This helps in growing the network through word of mouth or connecting request emails. Many of us who use LinkedIn never pay a penny. LinkedIn is a good example of a freemium business model. While the core offering is free for its network members, premium offerings come for a price. The users can upgrade from a basic account type to a premium type, which includes tools such as LinkedIn InMail and Profile Stats Pro. What about the cost structure? Most of the costs for the company come from web hosting costs, as well as the usual operating expenses, which include product development, marketing and sales, and general and administrative expenses. Looking at the left internally focused side, the key resource is the LinkedIn platform. The key activities is the platform development, and the key partners are Equinix and content providers. Now the obvious question is, how does LinkedIn make money? Well, LinkedIn has implemented what is called a multi-sided platform, which offers different solutions to different categories of users. So as the average number of member connection grows, the strength of the network improves. The stronger the network becomes, the more attractive it becomes to the users on the other side of the platform. The users on the other side of the platform include recruiters, marketers, and advertisers and developers. This is LinkedIn's second value proposition, to identify and reach the right talent. The main customer segment in this case is the recruiters. The revenue stream is through hiring solutions such as LinkedIn Corporate Solutions, LinkedIn Jobs, and subscription products. The rest of the canvas, which includes the cost structure and the internal activities, remain the same as the initial value proposition. The third value proposition that LinkedIn has is enabling advertisers and marketers to reach their target audience, and their revenue stream is from those marketing solutions. LinkedIn Ads is their self-service product to target advertisements to specific members based on their profile information. Advertisers can set up and manage multiple campaigns and continuously monitor clicks, impressions, click-through rates, and average cost per click. The LinkedIn Ads for Enterprise product targets larger advertisers that receive dedicated account management and gets access to additional marketing solutions such as display ads, custom groups, sponsorships, white papers, and recommendation ads. The final value proposition that LinkedIn provides is a set of open APIs and embeddable widgets for the developer community. These APIs and widgets provide access to the content in the LinkedIn database and help the developers build third-party applications leveraging LinkedIn data. Note that the business model canvas is color-coded. The yellow, green, blue, and pink are 4 different value propositions that reach 4 different customer segments, resulting in different revenue streams and require different customer relations. Note also that the orange color is used in the common elements such as the channels and internal operations. LinkedIn requires all of those elements to be successful. As an example, for 2011, LinkedIn's total revenue was $522 million. 50% of it was from recruiters, 30% from advertisement, and 20% was from subscription.